ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Hello everyone. Today in this video, I am going to teach you Kannada letters in a easy way. So before learning or to write any language letters, we have to learn the shapes or lines so it will help us to learn easily. So in Kannada also we have few shapes or lines. So before we start writing Kannada letters, I will show all how Kannada letters looks and how the letters have divided. So can you see here? In Kannada we have total 49 letters. I repeat, in Kannada we have total 49 letters. Out of that, the 15 letters are called Swaragalu. Swaragalu is nothing but vowels. In English, we call in English as a vowels. In Kannada, we call them as Swaragalu. So from a, I, U, Ru, I, O, Au, Aha. These are the 15 letters are called Swaragalu and these are the vowels in Kannada. Then rest 34 letters are called Vyanjanagalu. 34 letters are called Vyanjanagalu. This is nothing but consonants as we call it in English. So these are the consonants called as Vyanjanagalu. That is K, K, G, G, Ñ, Ch, Ch, J, J, Ñ, T, T, D, D, Ñ, T, T, D, D, Ñ, P, P, B, B, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, S, S, A, La. So these are the letters. So today I am going to teach you all the 15 letters vowels that are Swaragalu from A to So before we start, I already said you like in English we have slanting lines, sleeping lines or standing lines before we started learning English letters. So the same way in Kannada, we have to learn these few shapes. That is O. From O, can you all see? This is the letter O. From O, you are getting two shapes. So I will be teaching you the shapes first. Then we can start writing our letters. So first shape is, I want you all remember as SOU. So, okay? Or else if you learn, see this is the letter S. So from S, you can write this. This is in a standing way. You learn as to write in a sleeping way. So from S we got one shape. From the letter S we got one shape. The next letter is O. From O you can get it this way, off circle. You got it? The other one is, this is down off circle. The other one is the up. When you cut the circle, you get two shapes. That is, one is down and the other one is up. So you can make this way. So from letter O we are getting two shapes, down off and the uppermost off. And the next one is from the letter U. You all know the letter U. So from U, you can make it the upside down this way. So this is the other shape you should be knowing. So you have to remember U, S, O. The next one, the shape you have to remember is, you know, number 3. From 3, you can make it in, this is standing way. You have to make it, you have to write it in a sleeping way. One is this way, the other one is you have to like this, like W, small W kind, this way. From 3 you are getting 2 shapes. So childrens, in Kannada almost the letters look round in shapes, so there will be lot of curves and turnings in Kannada letters. So the next shape which I want you all to remember this is letter, not letter, there's a number. This is 2. So children, start writing 2. I said you it will be in a curve. So 2. This way you have to practice 2. So these are the few shapes you should be knowing before we start writing our Kannada letters. Children, did you write it? So the next important thing you should remember is that, so whenever we write Hindi letters, for example, I am just writing here. For example, you will write, I am taking first letter of Hindi, A. But if you have to complete it by writing a sleeping line up. The same way in Kannada also, for example, I will take one letter, that is the. This is Kannada letter. You have to complete by one sleeping line and one standing line. See, in Hindi you wrote the line. For every letter you have a line. Same way in Kannada also you have this. This is one sleeping line and standing line. I will show you down. This is one sleeping line and standing line. So this is nothing but Tale Kattu. We'll call in Kannada this as Tale Kattu. Sleeping line and a standing line. So these are the few shapes you have to remember before we start our letters to write. Can I start now? I will start teaching you the ovals. I said you Kannada we have 15 ovals. Yes or no? Kannada we have 15 ovals and we call them as Swaragalu. I'll write it here. We'll call it as Swara. See the Kannada letters, all like turnings, round it looks. G. See the turnings. See, I am putting Talekattu. So we have Swaragalu now 15 ovals. So I am teaching you the first oval. The first oval is A. Look here. You have to turn, come out. See, this is an half circle. As I do from letter O, we got the half circle, as I know. And from here you have to go in this way and put one sleeping line. This is A. You have to turn. See, you have to start from here. I just put an arrow mark from where we have to start. From it comes from here. It will start here and it comes like this way. So here we go half circle and you have to come in, take a turn and put a sleeping line. This is A, the first oval. The next oval is A, A. Same turning, same way, half circle. For here you went inside. For this A you have to come out. Look here, you have to come out, take a curve, this go in. This is A, A. The next letter is E. The next oval is E. I do from 3. Write 3 in a sleeping way. I have already said you right. So come down. You wrote 3. Come down. Take a curve. Come out. This is E. Got it? 3. You have to write in sleeping way. Come down. Take a curve. E. E. The next one is E. This is full circle. You have to write full circle. In the middle, you have to write a line. Take a curve, go up and come down. This is E. And in the last, you have to put this talekattu. Again, I am teaching you full circle, middle line, take a curve up and come down. This is E. So, the next letter is U. Look here, curve, rounds, come down, go up, again come down and again go up. This is U. I'll teach you. Turn, come down, up, again down and up. This is U. The next letter is U. It is same way but you have one more turning. So I will be writing here. See here how I am writing. So turns, go up, down, again go up, again down and turn it. So this is U, oo. See, the only one difference is you will start from the up and again you end it in the up. Here you will start from the up, but you end it in the last. So this is oo, oo. The next letter is ru. So I had taught you the shape too. Same way, this you write it the two, see here, and you have to turn it, go up, again from down one more curve, go up, and tale kattu. Okay, tale kattu. I am saying again, write two. I showed you to learn this way to write two. Write it, then go up, from down, go up, and tale kattu. So this is ru. A, I, u, ru. Now the next swar is A. I will teach you A. Look here. Again same curve. Can you see all same curve? This is like 3. Go up. A. Got it? See here. Same way. Take a curve. 3. This. I showed you this shape here. So go up in a slanting way. This is A. The next one is A. So same, similar but little difference. I just show you same way you write it. A, same, but when here you go straight like this in slanting way, but here when you go, you have to slant and take a curve this way. Look here, you have to go and take a curve. This is A. The next letter is I. Same, again you will start with curve only. 3. Go up. Again come down. Again this is I. You can see 3. Here 1 3 and here upside down 1 3. As I taught you here. Same way this 3 go up, again curve. The next one is I is done. Now O. So O is same like you have to take a curve like this. You should not join. No need. Turn like this. Okay, so look here, and you have to write it this way. Again I am teaching O. You have to come this and take one more curve. This is O. The next one is O. See, same similar way. See, both are same, but you have a line for O. O, O. Got it? Same way, O, O, how O looks, the same way you write it. This is the next letter, OW. See, it looks the same, O, O, OW, but there is a slight difference again. I write it in the other pen so that you can see here. This go up and you have to come down, take a turn. This is OW. See, all are same, 3, O, O, OW. This is O, this is O, you have a line up. For this OW, you have to take a turn and come down. So, the last is aha. So, aha is easy. You have to write a. I am writing it just again, you can see it. Turn of circle, down, come inside and sleeping end. So there is 1, 0. Aha. Same, you have to write same. A. You have 2 zeros. So for you have 1 circle or 0. For aha, you have 2 rounds, 2 circles or 2 O's. So these are the ovals in Kannada. 15 ovals. So in this video I have taught you the ovals, Kannada ovals. We call them as Swaragalu. A, I, U, Ru. A, I, O, Au, Aha. So hope you all like my video and learn according to this. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And please subscribe to my channel. I upload more Kannada related videos. Thank you.